Content marketing in the metaverse, pros and cons. We will explore the pros and cons of content marketing in the metaverse and how it can shape the future of digital advertising. Pros of content marketing in the metaverse. Immersive experiences. In the metaverse, brands can create immersive experiences that transport users to a virtual space where they can interact with products and services in a 3D environment. Audience engagement. By leveraging interactive content and storytelling in the metaverse, brands can capture the attention of their audience in a way that traditional advertising methods cannot. Brand visibility. With the growing popularity of virtual events and digital platforms in the metaverse, brands have the opportunity to establish a strong online presence and increase their visibility among a new audience. Cons of content marketing in the metaverse. Marketing strategy. Developing a successful content marketing strategy in the metaverse requires a deep understanding of immersive technologies and user behavior. Innovative advertising. With the rise of the metaverse, brands must constantly adapt their advertising strategies to keep up with emerging trends and technologies. Consumer interaction. While the metaverse offers a unique opportunity for brands to engage with consumers in a virtual space, it also poses challenges in terms of consumer privacy and data security. Conclusion. In conclusion, content marketing in the metaverse offers both opportunities and challenges for brands looking to connect with consumers in new and innovative ways.